big box. They're only like Hi guys, so today we're skibidi Don't wanna be uploading videos. Don't worry, I got your voice record. So today we're gonna play this game. Oh my head! My hand, it's broken. Oh! No, where's JJ? Bro, why how's JJ here? Why how's JJ here with me? No. What the hell? Lego Megalabino, Lego Megalabino, Lego Donkey. Rosie have 99 lives. I know that's the one I did. Even the wait, is this the one that you're playing right now? You have to hide your doggy. You have to collect this red thing. Lily bloods? I think those are not dogs. Double got food.
Guys, can I go? Wait lang po. Malatayan ka na?
Para sila ba?
Gumandal ka lang ha?
Wait, you're already playing it?
I can't go! Yeah, let's go play! Lucas doesn't want to play. Wait lang.
I'm just gonna go to the bathroom for a minute.
Yeah! Okay, look! Bro, can I join? Yes! What? After summer, we'll play yung bye. Masaya daw, pero Bro, I'm not a baby. I know the rules. What? Ayun nga, parang feeling ko na mas lumabas na siya. Yung performance day.
Hi guys, so we're back!
Guys!
Big box are coming.
Where do I put these?
Wait, I'm just gonna no guys. I should want this one. Go raccoon. I'll go whatever this is.
No, that's all.
What do you mean 100? What do you mean about 100? Oh, butterfly.
Okay, guys. Here's how the game works.
Give me a bro.
Are you not gonna play or not?
Oh, get out, bro. Ah! So, hi guys. So today we're playing Roblox. So today we're playing this game that I keep on playing with so peaceful and
Oh, you're gonna play with us or not?
Bro, you have! Come over here! Bro, your bank is gonna be
Wait, what?
1 hour.
I was already started. Why didn't you tell me I already started?
Don't skip any steak, I don't know.
I just started.
I'm gonna join you, bro. I'm gonna join you.
Guys, can I play? Can you teach me?
I'm gonna give you some brain rots. I'm just gonna
Hindi
rejoin.
pa kayo ng school, guys.
Huh? No.
We have 17 days. Ano, gutang ko ba si Fashion?
Who the hell is goodbye?
No, wait, can you teach me how to play? Yung nasa under Johan, Bonifacio, tapos may hot phone, 50 pesos, ay 50,000 on your back.
Bakit may FA pa tayo?
Magtutunan ko lang kaya nakatutok sa electric.
Mag-birthday tayo ikaw sa electric pa.
No, you should buy it. Let's give Johan.
Johan!
Buy the dolphin ball.
I have so much OP stuff. Johan, where are you? Oh, Johan, where are you? I see you. Coming.
Mga tenong na kami.
Here. I forgot. I'm also a brokey. Wait, I'm just gonna gamble. Don't worry, I'm coming.
That's all?
No, bro.
No, I'm saying that, but this is how to play the game. It's so easy. So I have to push
Yun lang.
Johan. Johan. Johan, where are you? Oh, Johan, here, I'll give you this.
Why give me a second?
Also have this crypto tiger.
Oh, you're here. Oh, wait, I forgot. I can buy.
God, presents!
Guys, I got the little statue. It's the best statue.
Oh, I want one.
Guys, you almost gave me this. I tried them.
Parang GP naman yun. Hindi ko naman kasi Di ba yung may natin si Snowy ba yun?
Here, you can have the big one.
Umiyayan.
Wow, look at
Hey! You can have the brown one.
Bro, there's a boss phone. Okay, where?
Yo!
May naakit na mo?
Oh my gosh!
Iya ba yan?
Yo! I didn't notice this, but bro! I don't know, I just got it.
Why can't I already got it?
I don't know how I got it. That wrong goes to statues.
Bro, how? I don't have that. Bro, not a shade. Bro, I have a new lemon of statue.
Wait, I'm gonna just open some gifts. I think I got that because I think I got it. Wait. It's this one. Where? Oh, okay, I got that. I got the wrong one. accidentally mixed it up though.
Parang sa akin ano,
Dami, dami sa mga
bakit ikaw nakadalawang beses ka lang ulit? Samantala ko kayo, crush ko samantala ko, crush ko simula nung hanggang grade 6 eh.
I like it!
Ako nakakadalaw ka na babae ko.
I'm lagging! I'm lagging too! No! No, this Wi-Fi is so good.
I-ready mo na yung mga paapaalam.
No, guys, everyone is frozen! Huh? I restarted! Stop! Bro, guys, I'm the only one here! Wait a minute! No, you don't! Guys! Hold.
Kaya para zombie.
Yeah, I don't know how. How? Oh, that's the code! You got the best one. It's the best statue. In the game. Ow! This cool. Ooh, the Santor! My goodness. What's the code? We didn't even have a film. Oh my god, someone gave me a magnet. What do you mean? Bro, this is a valid code, bro. What is that? Yo! Yo, I got blue candy. Yo! What's this? If you figure out the code, you get the best Oh my god! Guys, we have the gingerbread Santa 2006 birthday. Guys, I tried to type it, but then it says the valid code. Oh, it's because it's spelled wrong. How? I'm dumb enough to even spell. Remember, I don't know how to spell. Yay! Let's see. Oh! Okay. Look, I got a gun. We have this. No, I keep on getting something weird. Guys, is the core good? Yeah. Look. I have one. I keep on getting the rare stuff. Guys, this is some service on me. How do I place? you love me? Okay.
Hindi iba yun, hindi naman ito. Ano ba kung nagkasal sa hindi na?
Okay. Yup, I gave it a bit. What? Nothing. Hey, there's dog food! Oh, there's dog food on the carpet too. Oh, my dog food! Guys, just go step on it. Dad! Dad! There's something! Dad! Dad! I think the dog pooped there! No, God, the brown Nico Mouse at 67! Nico Mouse at 67! Nico Mouse! Mango! No, I like this event too. Same, I like this. This is the best event. Guys, how do you get your statues? These are just like, they are the stop. Oh, they changed the price. 400. No! Oh, bro! No, I found something good. Can we get Santa? No, I'll crash out. No, for the person. Go on the soccer. I gotta lock the tutorial sa Yes! Yay! What the hell is this? No! Gingerbread tacos! Yeah, I like gingerbread. Sorry. How do I have a taste for that? No, I already tasted it. It sounds like, that tastes like trash. Maybe it smells like trash. Yo! You want another salmon? You're not commenting on me. That'll be fun. Ah! Yeah, bro.
Marami talaga nung mga bata na. Tapos babalik sila natin.
Grandma. No, guys, am I the only one in a different server? Hindi ba ito na nagagawin?
Okay na ako kami maglalaro pa yun.
Lotus Bieber.
Si Johan, okay lang siya pag alam niya hindi sa'yo.
Kaya so, anong
Sino?
You were put your
Guys, do you have all this?
No. I don't have.
I have a question. Are you Samsung?
No, soccer! The soccer! I just, oh man.
No, is that like 50?
I hate this game! Why did you keep it dancing? Guys, there's a letter in the gingerbread. I'm not joking. I'm gonna go fuck up. Gingerbread.
Nagkwento yung kuya niya. Pero yung grade 7. Yeah.
Chocolate. We just one more side. Kill the ticket. Because you can't afford it. Johan, stop moving. Johan, stop moving. I said stop moving. No, Johan. Stop moving. I'm trying to give you something. You go now.
Wait, I'm going to move. I need to do something.
Now we go doing. No, don't even know how to do it, bro.
He's trying to do it.
Hi, Mom. For me, I have 14.
What's this?
Strike 2. We'll get strike 5. You'll get to one.
Tata. Oh, I don't like that. Tata.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to take it. Si Santa. Bro, Lucas, where are you?
Rose in a private.
I can't move. I can't move.
Oo.
Can you play potato with me one more time?
Say Santa one more time. I want to tell you for 13 minutes.
Watch the baby. Santa! Ano yun? Curiosity. Yung gumagana sa akin. Ano ba yung mangyayari sa ginawa ko?
Yung intrusive thoughts niya, palagi nagbabago.
Ganon.
Guys, what are you guys playing? No, Bro, he's taking a bounce. Hi, Lucas. No.
Wilson's already in the server.
Ayo! Ayo! No, bad girl. Guys, man.
I'm done with almost every killer. Can I take off Kuya? The famous love you.
Okay lang dyan.
Chico, banana. Chico, banana.
Banana.
Dami baka madulas na yun.
You have so many. 20 Kuya. I swear. Bro, this guy is getting destroyed. He got left behind.
Mama, saan yung charger?
Nasa car.
Kasi yung stand na ako.
Bro, 2 times is getting out of hand. You know why?
Why, Daddy?
Bro, 2 times is getting annoying. You know why?
Why?
When he stands me in the front, somehow the devs literally counts it as a backstab.
Would you also get stunned?
Yeah! Out of nowhere! And then when I'm 2 times, I basically, when I'm front stab, okay bro, okay, talino.
Talaga?
Pero nakakalakot na. Bro, enough with those. It's on fire. I'll be the assassinator. No. I will answer to it. I will be the answer. The switch doesn't die. I just said you were. But I will celebrate. Three diamonds.
Mia.
Noisy na quiet na lang. Bro, send it to you, Serena. Every time. Oy. Huwag niyo sinito ano. Every time there's a second dog, there will be a hand. AFK. I have a problem. AFK. Whenever I shoot myself, para matanda yung
Gumalaan ako.
I'm so bad as Johnny. He's what? Don't stop! Don't stop reaching me. It's just a game. Wait, bro, use the corrupt energy. Trap him, bro, trap him. No! This is your fault. What did we do? No, it's only a game. Don't you laugh? It's only for a second. I thought we were playing again. I'm not even gonna play anymore.
Pag mga rito,
I thought we were gonna play against Trap.
Kasi kapag mga normal na city sila.
Oo.
Muna pa yung nagkakaroon ng score na already with goals. Why is the left is still smiling with the
Yung relasyon daw namin, dalawa kami naglalaro. Ako bata pa ako, ikaw matanda.
Pero hindi ko maganda.
Kaya kasi yung 1 month in the making. Nang tinry ko.
Pero ganun, ako naman.
Kasi yun, 1 month. Sabi niya, sige, nakakasal naman na eh. Kaya ako, kasi na-experience sa tagal namin, 6 years na kami. Parang nasa 20 years. Okay na.
Depende kasi sa...
Kailangan na lang kasi. Sabi ko pa, magkakain ako sa baka mamaya. Dahil ang kalimot ko, work na sabi ko lang yung parang meron ako nag-practice. Pagka, alam mo siya parang Angie, pero hindi parang nilalaman mo nag-practice. Sabi ko, hindi magkakaroon na ako kapag meeting mo. May yung Cassandra driver po na
Perfect ko doon.
Napakapusay.
Oo, ang
May mga tropa
sabi ko po,
na
kasi naman consistency yun. Sabi ko, respect ka naman patungo ako, yun na yun.
May regalo na agad.
Pero pwede ka
Oh, we were gonna play.
Ay, yung kalaban niya.
Sa ulo na natin yung ano eh.
You know what? Nagpapalit ako dati. Dito kasi, nung tayo kasi. Dito mo doon. Diba? Kasi sa atin. Yes, doon. Uy guys, yung tubig guys, nakikita ako.
Lahan.
Tapos nung kaya Isipin mo, kung sa inyo babae, kaya pag lalaki,
Kasi kapag mali na kayo, simula dito.
yan.
Tapos,
Ito yun, like it.
sumunod pa rin sa ano.
Away mo rin now.
Sa inyo kasi pangalan.
Yes!
Kayo nagplano. Magaling magplano.
Ay,
Kaya baka lang nag-reset. Kasi yung computer niya pala mag-
Ay,